Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Lasco Manufacturing is reporting unaudited profits of $195 million for the third quarter ending December. That's an increase of 73%. This was achieved on a 22% hike in revenue of $1.8 billion. For the 9 months period, profits were $533 million, a decline from $700 million the previous year. Lasco said revenue and profits were impacted early in the financial year by the shutting down of production for the first 2 months. This allowed for critical upgrades to the plant to enable greater efficiencies and improving the quality of output. Cargo handlers posted lower profits for the first quarter of its financial year, ending December 31. It made $40.3 million in profit compared with $46.2 million the previous year. Cargo handlers achieved this on revenues of $86.6 million, which were down on the previous year. Increased cruise vessel arrivals this period positively impacted the company's operations through additional baggage handling activities. However, this was offset by a reduction in the number of containers handled over the busy holiday season when compared with the prior year. Oil prices slid more than 3% today as U.S. futures fell below $60 a barrel for the first time since December on renewed concerns about rising crude supplies. U.S. and Brent crude futures have slid more than 11% from this year's peak in late January. U.S. crude dropped 10%, the steepest weekly decline since January 2016. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude settled down $1.95 to $59.20, the lowest settlement since December 22. Now, currency trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $126.47. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.65. The pound sterling is costing $173.11, while the euro is costing $153.20. Now, in today's trading session, the JSE index declined by 985 points to close at 286,637. The junior market index advanced by 15 points to close at 2,901. The main winners of the day were Salada Foods, Caribbean Producers, Access Financial, Sterling Investments, Fosrich, and Main Event Entertainment. Losing stocks included Mayberry Investments, 1834 Investments, Jetcon Corporation, Jamaica Producers, Key Insurance Company, and G West Corporation. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.